Have you ever wondered how psychology intersects with the legal system? Forensic psychology plays a crucial role in this fascinating field. It applies psychological principles to legal matters. Let's dive into the core components of forensic psychology. Forensic psychology, derived from the Latin forensis, involves the application of psychology in law. This specialty impacts various areas, including clinical, developmental, social, cognitive, and neuropsychology. While this may sound complex, grasping its essence is vital. First, let's understand the narrow definition. The American Psychological Association highlights it as clinical specialties applied to legal settings. Forensic psychologists primarily focus on assessment and treatment for legal issues. They evaluate competency, conduct insanity assessments, and assess risks. Next, the broad definition expands the scope. Here, all psychological subdisciplines are applicable to law. This includes research on eyewitness accuracy, jury decisions, and memory studies. While clinical roles are prevalent, the contributions of researchers are significant. Moreover, the specialty guidelines for forensic psychology provide a comprehensive view. This definition unites both perspectives. It emphasizes psychologists' application of knowledge to legal matters. Thus, anyone using their psychological expertise in a legal context becomes a forensic practitioner. Now, let's examine the roles forensic psychologists play. Primarily, there are four key functions: researcher, clinician, consultant, and expert witness. Each role is critical, and many professionals often combine these functions. First, the researcher role involves studying fundamental questions within the legal system. This includes topics like eyewitness testimony and interrogation techniques. For example, Elizabeth Loftus's research on memory accuracy is vital for legal practices. Their work often informs policy and promotes changes in the justice system. Next, as clinicians, forensic psychologists assess individuals involved in legal cases. They perform competency evaluations and provide treatment for offenders. This role is visible and crucial for ensuring justice and rehabilitation. They also work with victims, providing essential counseling services. Moving on, forensic psychologists serve as consultants. They advise legal professionals on strategies and best practices. This may include assisting with jury selection or improving interrogation methods. The impact of their consultation can enhance legal outcomes significantly. Finally, we reach the expert witness role, perhaps the most recognized function. Here, psychologists provide specialized testimony in court. Unlike fact witnesses, they offer opinions on psychological evaluations and mental states. Their expertise can sway legal decisions and informs judges and juries. In summary, forensic psychology is a multifaceted field that bridges psychology and law. We delved into its definitions and essential roles. Whether as researchers, clinicians, consultants, or expert witnesses, forensic psychologists contribute significantly to the justice system. Feeling intrigued? To explore more about forensic psychology and its roles, please subscribe to our channel. Get ready to uncover the impactful ways psychology shapes the legal world.